I have woke up this morning and I found that my Casio watch is being not working, and I checked and found that my watch battery most probably depleted and it's not working probably. Okay, you can tell that when I press this button, actually the second counter should start to tick, but there is no sign. Okay, so yeah, it's time to replace the battery. Okay, this is a Edifice watch or Edifice revision or Edifice module, okay, with a tachometer. So let's see how we can change its battery. Okay, so to change the battery of this watch, we need to open the back cover, which is a screw cover. So better for us to start by opening this strip to give us some space and open the cover. So here I will use a toothpick to open the or release the spring loaded pin here. Not easy to do on camera. I will do my best to do it. Oops. Start this one. Here we go. Yes. You see, this one's been released. Let me focus it. Here we go. Okay, this is the one being released. I just use the toothpick and put it in the hole to push down the spring, and here we go. Now it's released and we can easily open it. And I have noticed that this pin is kinda rusty and like is really exhausted. I guess since I opened, it's better to change it. I'm afraid in the future it's easy to be break and fall down. This one might need to be replaced as well. Okay, so now I can prepare my watch repair tool to replace or open the cover cap first. Okay, I have this tool. Push this aside. I have this tool with this multiple changeable I'm not sure what they call, but maybe plugs or pins. Okay, they should match the size of the indentation. There's indentation here, as you can see here. This one should be matched it. Yeah, so I'll place this one here, 3 pins, and I try to crack open the cover to release the battery. Okay, so I have choose this size of pins, if you can focus. Okay, these are small enough to match the size of the indentation on the watch. So I'll place them here, one here, and one here, one here. Okay, this doesn't fit yet. Let me fit it out of camera. There we go. So these are the 3 pins in the place now. You can see. Okay. So now I will try to crack open the cover. Before that, we need to make sure the spaces of these 3 should match. Okay. We need to make sure the spaces they are matches. Okay. So here we have 2 adjustments. Let me decide. We have 2 adjustments. This one to adjust this pin, and this one to adjust the width of these 2. Okay, so I have this one and this one. So now we have to match the position of these 3. You see, I'm matching these 2. So the easier way I found to attach these 2 first. Here we go, they are matched now. Now I will attach the 3rd one. You can see now the 3rd one I release, then it should fall in the, here we go. You see this one? It was like this, which is out of the out of the hole, then I'll just need to rotate until it fall down in the hole. Here we go. Okay, so now all the three indentation fall in the holes, and I just need to rotate clockwise. So rotate clockwise. It's kind of hard, might be the first time, and rotate. Here we go. So it's open for me. Now I can continue easily. There we go. So this is our frame that need to be replaced. And for sure, actually, we need to use plastic or rubber tweezer, but I don't have for time being, but I will be very careful and gentle when I work with the watch. So first I need to remove this side ring or the plastic ring, this one, because it's covering the, if you see here, there's some plastic cover covering the battery, so I need to remove this guy first. Okay, then the battery will be released. Now, how to release the battery from its place? If you see here, I'll use the toothpick, the wood toothpick better. If you see here, there are two places the battery hold in a place. Let me zoom more. Okay, so there is this one here and this one here. To release the battery, I believe this and this lever need to be pushed down, and you see here they give you some space to push it down. Okay, so I will push down this. See this one? Oops, it's not focus. Here we go. So I'll push down this lever. Focus. Here we go. I'll push down this, and I hope the battery will be popped. Here we go. Yeah, this is our battery. Now I need to buy the replacement. Okay, let me cover the watch first. We don't want any debris or dirt to be fall into it. It's too bad. So we put this one back. There we go. And we cover it back again. Then we put it aside until we find the correct battery for it. Okay, let's see the battery now. So this is the battery. The battery code is 395. Let me read it on the magnifier. Yes, the battery code is 395. Okay. And it's, I guess, it's a 1.5 volt. Let me double check that. Let me see if the battery actually is dead or no. So I have my multimeter here, and I set it to DC volt. Here we go. Here's our multimeter. Then I'll try to read the battery. Okay, let's do it. See how. So we put one here and one here. See how much we can read. Whoa, it's kind of dead. 700 millivolt only. 700 millivolt. Yes, this filler is dead. Okay, so let's buy a new battery and come again and install inside the watch, and we hope everything is fine again. Okay, so here's the replacement battery. I bought new one. It's also same brand. Renata one is a Swiss made battery with the same number or the model number, which is 395. It's a replacement for this guy. Okay, so this is the battery. I'll put it aside, and here is our new one. So I'll bring the watch again. Here we go. Okay, I'll open the cover. I didn't tighten it the cover last time, so it should be open very fast. There we go. Again, I will open this guy, preparing the watch to be, the battery to be installed inside the watch. So here we go. Okay, now I open this, but for sure guys, it's not recommended to touch it with your bare hand, so I will try to not touch it much because sorry, I don't have a finger condom or any glove for the time being. So yeah, here we go. So now, and for sure I shouldn't use a metal tweezer to hold the battery, otherwise it will be shorted and will be wasted, all the energy will be depleted. Again, how to put it back? We put it the same way we take it over. Here we go. We put the other end first, then this lever we need to push it back again to put it in the place. There's a downside lever. This lever here, we need to push it side. And press. Here we go. It is in place now. Let me check if the watch is ticking now. Here we go. If you see here, it's the millisecond I can say is working, and this guy also the second counter is working, so I can stop it and reset. Here we go. So it's working now perfectly as intended. Is we can now put back everything together. And okay, so let's do this very fast, so we don't need to put any dust or debris on the watch. Oh sorry, before that we need to put back the cover, the plastic cover, don't forget it. Again, don't use any metal since we already installed the new battery. Okay, we put this one there, then we cover it with this guy. Be careful guys, don't force it to directly fasten the case. We need to make sure it's already fall down in the correct teeth, otherwise it will be a nightmare for you guys and the watch won't come again together. So it's better to make sure it smoothly go in without any resistance before you tie up everything. There we go. So now smooth tight up, then we test again. There we go. You see now it's offset a bit for the second, but this one is okay, we can change it later, no problem. Okay, everything but looks back to normal, so now we can tighten up the cover. We need to put this one here, this one here. Okay, we just give it a small push, so we don't need to be over because we don't want to break the o-ring also. Here we go. This one should be back. I don't need this anymore. There we go. Now everything just fine. Why it's not focusing? Anyway, try to focus. Okay, it's working perfectly. So now guys, we need to replace this pin since I can see it's rusty and the one of the end is really gone. You see, I don't like it, so I try to change it because I have a lot of these pins laying around. Let's try to change it. I believe they are the same size, the same type and diameter, so hopefully it will be just plug and play replacement. Let me take one out of the bag. So I don't want to accidentally make my watch fall down and then I will lose it. There we go. It looks kinda longer, but it looks okay. This is the replacement. Let me see if this can fit or no. Let me check on my magnifier first. It looks like they're the same. Oh no, they are longer actually. Sorry, they are longer. They are much longer. Let me see the others. Maybe I have another length, a bit shorter. I don't know, maybe they are all the same length. I'm not sure. Oh, they are different length actually. If you see this one, this is the old one and this is the new. Now this one is kind of shorter. I guess the bags I have are actually different length and different times, so I need to find the correct one then. Okay, let's try again. Drop it in. Here we go. Yes, it's in finally. Here it is. You can see this is one end, this is another end. Here we go. Now the watch is ready. One more last test. Here we go. Millisecond working. Nice. Okay, so that's all. I hope you have learned something, and in this video we have learned how to replace battery of the Casio Casio watch. And yeah, do it yourself guys. Let's see you in the next video.